Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a dynamic calendar in Google Sheets. So a dynamic calendar in Google Sheets automatically updates based on the month and year you enter. And this is how you can create one step by step. So the first step that you need to do is set up the calendar header. You can open a new sheet just like this, and in cells B1 you can just type or enter year, sorry, and next in C1 enter the desired year. You can use, for example, I'm going to just use today, the current year. You can just go with this year, today, and then close this. Hit on enter. Okay, now in B2, you can just type enter month. And in C2, you can use this formula, month, open, and then today, hit on enter for the current month. As you guys can see, now it's February and the year is 2025. Now you can just create the calendar grid in row 4 this month. Enter the days of the week. So in B4, you can just write Sunday, Monday, and sorry, let's start with in B4. Sunday, Monday, and so on and so on. Okay, now once you enter the days in cell B4 here, use this formula to find the first day of the month. You can write date and then choose C1. Sorry, C1 and then comma C2, and the days is 1. Hit on enter, and this will return the first days of the selected month. This one, 1st February. And now step 3, to automatically fill the calendar dates in B6 here, use this formula to calculate the start position. You can use date C1, comma C2, the amount, and 1, close, and then stripe weekdays, sorry, date, now again the year, comma the month, and day. Close this and enter. Okay, like this, and after that you can just click on enter, and this will ensure the first day of the month aligns correctly with the correct weekday. You can just drag the formula across the row to fill out the week, and then down to fill all the 6 rows. So after this, you can just format the calendar to how you like it. You can merge the cell for a month and year title, this one, and apply borders and center alignment. And you can just make the calendar automatically update. So whenever you change the C1 or C2, the calendar will refresh instantly. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe also.